How to fix failed to match error in Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve a failed to match error on Tinder. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are getting failed to match error on Tinder, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. First of all, if you're trying to match because you know that this person has liked you, you can normally find if this person has liked you if you come to your likes tab and you know that this is for sure the person. So when you select that person and then you try to like them back, it says failed to match error on any type of issues like that. Now the reason why this actually happens is if that person had actually accidentally liked you, but then they have basically restricted you, or even after matching they have unmatched you, and that could be the reason. Or after they liked you, because on Tinder it is not possible to unlike someone unless you have got some type of premium services, but then if they liked you and they might have deactivated or deleted their account, that is why you're getting that error. So it is not an issue from your side, it could be the issue from the other side. That is all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.